Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and if you are already part of the crew, thank you so much. And if you're not, hi, welcome. My name is Mary and I do beauty and lifestyle videos here on my channel, and I would love to have you as part of our team. So if you could just hit that subscribe button in the bottom, that would be great. So with that said, I'm going to get right into it. So pretty much I'm going to be doing a purple and green eye look on camera, and then I'm going to finish off by doing my my face off camera. And then for the big surprise, stick around till the end of this video so that you can participate in the giveaway that's happening. So with that being said, let's get started. I'm gonna start by priming my eyelids. And for that, I'm going to be using the Milani eyeshadow primer, and it looks like this. It's a nude base, so I'll just add some of that. I'm gonna use my, as always, handy dandy mirror to get this going. With my fingers, I'm going to add a generous amount right onto my eyelids, just like that. I don't know if you can see it, just like so, and then just pat it onto your eyelid until it's blended into your eyelid. Because I'm doing somewhat of an intense, I'm hoping for somewhat of an intense green. So because of that, I'm going to also add it right under to hopefully get more of a brighter green. I was hoping to have a much brighter green than what I'm planning on using, but apparently my makeup collection is not big enough because I don't have a bright green, but I'm gonna go with a regular green. So today I'm going to be using, I am loving these brushes. This is by the Bretman Rock collection with Wet n Wild. This is the, usually I use this one for a highlighter, but I've noticed that this is actually all right for my eyelids. So I will be using that to blend in the brown. And for that, I will be using my ColourPop palette that I created myself. Well, you guys know what I mean. Like, I purchased the shadows and put them in this little book thing, in this little palette. So this is it. ColourPop usually has these and they're pretty inexpensive. I think I paid like $25 for all these shadows, and I got to pick the shadows myself. So today we're going to be going with this brown right here, and I'm gonna be blending that in on my crease and higher up, so that I have that transition color. So like I said, you're gonna blend in. So see how, like, I'm really lightly, please, really lightly, you're gonna blend in. Oh, I can see these are gonna be an issue. So you're gonna blend that in like so. All right, so now that we have that brown on there, we're gonna go in with a purple. Ooh, there's so many pretty purples. So I think most of the purples that I'm going to be using are going to be from the Jaclyn Hill volume 2 palette. We are going to be going in with a different brush, clearly. This is a Sonia Kashuk blending brush. I don't know if you guys can see that. And it's stained. I hate that. That's the only thing. I feel like I stain all my brushes. But I'm going to be taking that brush. I'm going to put aside this brush because I'm going to need it for my brown later when I'm blending in all these colors. But right now I'm going to be going into the palette and using Therapy Sesh, which is this purple right here. It's like a lighter purple. And then right after that, we're going to use this one here, which is Not My Journey. So let's get started with that. I'm going to dip my brush into Therapy Sesh, and I'm going to blend it right on, a little on top of the brown, actually a lot on top of the brown, and blend it down. So let me show you how I would do that. So I would take this and buff it in. Can you guys see that? I hope you guys can. Buff it in. You can't see it as much, but it's gonna look so beautiful when it's complete. So let's go back in there with that color. And again, you're really putting it right on top of that brown and blending a little down. Because you still kind of want to see the brown a little high up here, but you want to make sure that you come down with that purple. It's actually a pretty simple look. I believe it was this weekend I did it and posted it on my Instagram, and you guys loved it. So I was like, hey, why not you know, record it for you guys in case you guys are interested in doing this look for yourself. So here we are. So now that that's on there, we're gonna take that purple that I said I would use right after, which is Not My Journey. Right on here, this darker purple. This is called a base shadow brush by Real Techniques. So that's what I'm gonna be using. I'm gonna dip that. Oh, I should have showed you guys first. I'm gonna dip, well, I already dipped it, sorry. But that's what that looks like. I'm gonna take that and put it right on my crease. Just dab that right in there. All right, guys, I'm back. So yeah, so I'm going to pull out my, I'm going to be pulling out my Morphe 35V and using this purple here for that bottom part. So let me take a brush. I'm going to be using more of a flat brush. This is by Eco Tools. It doesn't say what kind of brush it is, but it's just a plain flat brush. I believe this is used more to add the concealer under your eyes, but I use it for patting eyeshadow under my eyes. So it looks like this. See? And I'm just gonna pat that right on my eyes, on my eyelid. So, like I said, right on top. Now that we have that done, I'm going to do my other eye and then I'll be back. I'm also going to blend it a little bit right here, just so you guys know. But yeah, I'll be right back. So yeah, so now that we have that done, we are going to go in and clean up the bottom first of all, because it's, oh, actually, I feel like that might look nice. I wanted to add this color right on top of that purple from my ColourPop colors here. So let me just dab that right on, and I want to add that right in the center. Oh, that is, actually I want to add that all over the lid. Look, oh my gosh, that looks fabulous. That just like made that look so much better, at least in my eyes. And I'm so glad I used my finger instead of a brush. It just makes it look so much more glam. Ooh, that looks cute. Oh, yeah. That looks so freaking cute. Okay, so now that we have that going, I'm going to clean up my mess that I made here, and then we're gonna go into the green. Okay, so actually guys, before I do the green and anything else I wanna do to my eyes, I'm going to go ahead and add my foundation, my concealer, yada, 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 everything on my face, and then I'll be back, add the green, add some lashes, and call it a day, okay? So give me a second, let me get that done, and I'll be right back with you guys. So this is what my foundation looks like so far. Well, not just my foundation, my whole face. So now we're gonna go into doing the green under the eyes. Yeah, the green under the eyes, and then I'll do my eyebrows, and then we'll go from there. So I think, actually, I was gonna use black, but I'm not. Instead, I'm going to use this white pencil liner, eyeliner. This is from Wet n Wild, and it's just a white eyeliner, and I'm going to be adding that to my waterline. And I really don't want it to be like, ooh, it's white. I just want it to be a little under there as kind of like a shadow base. So I'll just like blend that in a little, and it's just so that the green is not as dark. I'm going to use this Eco Tools dual-ended brush. It is a flat brush and then a blending brush on the other side. So I'm going to use the flat side first. I'm going to be using the Bretman Rock Wet n Wild palette that I just got, and I'm going to be using the color Venomous, which is the broken green right here. Let's start with that, and then I'm going to blend it in with the green right next to it, or blend it out, which is called Anaconda, like so. I don't know if y'all can see that. Let me just get a little closer. So just like that. And I'm gonna do that all the way to the other corner. Now that we have that green, I'm going to use, like I said, that other lighter green, and I'm going to blend out that green in the bottom so that it's not as like sharp of a line. So now that we have the green, oh my God, I am loving this look. I'm going to add the King of the Jungle Gold on this palette, on the Bretman Rock palette. I'm gonna use this gold, and I'm gonna pat it right under, right on top of the green to hopefully give it some more, you know, make it look a little better. I feel like it's a little flat. I'm gonna use the e.l.f. contour brush, and I'm just gonna pat it in that gold. I just took the first brush, to be honest, that I found. It doesn't really matter. And I'm just gonna pat it. Ooh. You can't really tell much, to be honest. But I'm adding it to give it more of a, like, depth, because right now it looks a little flat. And it actually looks very pretty. I don't know if you'll be able to see it on camera, but in person, it looks really pretty. I'm going to do my brows, add lashes, and add highlighter. Right, you guys, so oh my God, I'm actually loving this look. So I'm not adding any lipstick to my lips. I'm just adding a lip gloss, which is the, am I recording? Yeah, which is the Jungle Rock lip gloss. This is part of the Wet n Wild collection with Bretman Rock. This one is the color Freaky. I'm just adding that to my lips, and then I'm going to set my face and everything else on it with the it says to shake well because it does have glitter, but this is the Wet n Wild, again, Bretman Rock Collection setting spray. He only has one, so you'll know which one it is if you're looking for it. I love what it looks like. It actually looks better than the first time that I did it. This is really good. I'm proud of myself. With that being said, this is the look. So if you guys like the look, please like and comment at the bottom which part you liked, if you like the whole thing, whatever. Also, something else you'll have to do, which clearly I said at the beginning of this video, is that I am doing a giveaway with this video. And the giveaway has nothing to do with this right here or any of the palettes that I talked about. Is actually a palette that I purchased for myself. It is the Fenty Beauty palette, which I will be putting right here for you to see. It is it's actually a palette that I'm purchasing for myself, and I thought, you know what, why not buy two and give one away? But again, I just thought that it would be awesome to you know, give some love to my subscribers. So with that being said, all the directions to the contest will be in the bottom bar. Please make sure you refer to that, because if you don't do it right, you will not qualify for the giveaway. But pretty much what you're doing is that you're going to make sure that you're subscribed to my channel, that you like this video, and that you put a comment in the bottom bar below stating what your Instagram is, because you will be going onto my Instagram, which will be in the bottom bar below. You'll be following me, and then that way I will know that you followed me on my Instagram by you going ahead and commenting below stating what your Instagram name is. So again, you're going to go ahead and subscribe. Make sure that you're subscribed to my channel. You're going to like this video, and you're going to comment below, other than what's saying how beautiful this look is, you're going to comment below what your Instagram is, so that I know for when I go and pull whoever is the winner, I know that that person is also following me on Instagram. So you do have to follow me on Instagram. You have to make sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video and comment in the bottom bar below, so that I know what your Instagram name is. That is going to be what that looks like. This video should be up by May 4th. And the giveaway will be, the contest will be going on for 2 weeks. And then I will pull a, you know, a winner, and then I will contact that winner. So please, please, please make sure you're doing it correctly, because I would love for everybody to be able to participate in it. So with that being said, thank you so much. As always, I am so happy to have you guys watching my channel, especially if you've been around since the beginning. I love you all, especially the ones that comment and, you know, like my videos. Without further ado, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.